Open enrollment will be held this year from November 3rd through November 14th. This is the annual period where you can make changes to your benefits for the coming year. Your choices will be in effect from January 1st through December 31st, 2015. After open enrollment closes this year on November 14th, no changes may be made except in the case of a qualifying family status change, such as when a dependent first qualifies or loses eligibility for coverage. Syracuse University is proud to offer you access to quality and comprehensive benefits, and we encourage you to take full advantage of the great options available to you. During every open enrollment, we encourage you to review your benefits, consider your options, and make the choices that best serve you and your family. It takes just a few minutes, and if you have any questions as you are going through the enrollment process, please feel free to contact our HR Service Center anytime at 315-443-4042 or email the Service Center at hrservic@syr.edu. Keep in mind that if you do not wish to make any changes to your current benefits for 2014, they will carry over to 2015. This is also the year in which you can make changes to your dental and vision elections. During open enrollment, please take the time to review the benefits eligibility policy to be sure that all dependents covered under your benefit plans still meet the university's criteria. A link to the benefits eligibility policy can be found on the university's policy website. As in years past, if you add a dependent to any benefit plan, you will need to provide proof of their eligibility. As part of the verification process, we will ask you to provide items such as a marriage license, domestic partner documentation, birth or adoption certificate, legal custody paperwork, or a federal income tax return. The open enrollment process is conducted online through MySlice. To access the site beginning November 3rd, you will need to enter your net ID and password. If you do not remember your net ID, it is the same as your email minus the syr.edu. The open enrollment online portal will work as it did last year. Once you complete the enrollment process and click the Finish button, a confirmation statement will be emailed to your syr.edu email account. This statement confirms that you have enrolled and allows you to review your benefit elections. You can print your confirmation statement from your email, or if you do not have access to your syr.edu email account, you can call HR and request a hard copy. Again, each time you hit the Finish button, a confirmation statement will be sent to your email account. You can go into MySlice and make changes any number of times during open enrollment, which ends on Friday, November 14th. The elections that will go into effect January 1st will be those reflected on the last confirmation statement to your syr.edu email account, which the Office of Human Resources is copied on. If you need computer access for open enrollment purposes, the university has a number of workstations available across campus. In addition, there are computer kiosks available in the lobby of Skytop Office Building. Assistance will be available from Human Resources for employees using these kiosks during normal business hours, and a printer will be available to print your final confirmation statement. Other computers are available in the Information Technology Services public computer labs and email stations around campus. However, please note that printers are not available at the email stations. If you don't remember your password, you can contact ITS at 443-2677. We encourage you to have your benefit questions answered by calling or stopping by our Human Resources Service Center. The number is 315-443-4042, and email is hrservic@syr.edu. Much of the information in this presentation will also be in the Open Enrollment newsletter posted on our website at oe2014.syr.edu.